tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to print out your most intricate designs, blueprints, and maps with precision and clarity like never before. That's exactly what the HP DesignJet T250 24-inch large format printer promises to deliver, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the 24-inch large format printing capability. This feature is a game changer for professionals in the fields of engineering, architecture, and GIS. With the ability to print up to 24 inches wide, you can now bring your most complex projects to life with precise detail. Whether you're working on a blueprint for a new building, a map for a geographical survey, or a poster for a marketing campaign, this printer ensures that your output is not only large, but also crisp and clear. The implications are huge. Imagine being able to visualize and share your designs in a way that's both impactful and accurate. It's a level of detail that can make all the difference in communicating your vision and ideas to clients, colleagues, or stakeholders. Another key feature that really stood out to me is the high-resolution output. With up to 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI, this printer delivers sharp text, accurate graphics, and crisp lines that are essential for technical documents. For those working in engineering, architecture, or GIS, this level of precision is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. The ability to print out detailed drawings and maps with such high resolution means that you can trust the output to be accurate and reliable, which is critical when working on projects where precision is key. Plus, with such high resolution, you can be confident that your prints will look professional and polished, whether you're presenting them in a meeting, submitting them as part of a proposal, or using them as part of a client pitch. The wireless and mobile printing capability is another feature that I found incredibly useful. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily print from your laptop, tablet, or smartphone using the HP Smart app. This level of convenience is a huge time saver, especially in fast-paced environments where deadlines are tight and productivity is paramount. Imagine being able to send a document to print from your phone or tablet and having it ready and waiting for you when you get to the office or studio. It's a level of flexibility and convenience that can really streamline your workflow and make you more efficient. Plus, with the HP Smart app, you can also monitor your printer's status, order supplies, and even print from the cloud, which makes it easy to manage your printing needs on the go. Finally, I want to touch on the compact and space-saving design of this printer. Despite its impressive capabilities, the HP DesignJet T250 has a surprisingly slim footprint, especially when you consider the included stand. This makes it perfect for small offices, studios, or job sites where space is at a premium. The fact that it supports both roll paper and standard cut sheet sizes is also a huge plus, giving you the flexibility to print on a wide range of media without having to compromise on performance. Whether you're working in a cramped office or a busy studio, this printer is designed to fit in and get the job done without taking up too much space. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T250 24-inch large format printer is an incredible piece of technology that truly delivers on its promises. With its 24-inch large format printing, high-resolution output, wireless and mobile printing capabilities, and compact design, it's the perfect solution for professionals who need to print high-quality documents with precision and accuracy. If you're in the market for a printer that can handle your most demanding projects, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T250. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your printing to the next level and unlock new possibilities for your business or creative endeavors. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.